You know, you people are the ones who cause problems. When you talk about it, how do you explain not putting them in the ballot?
Can we focus on this? Which one you?
Everything here. And that's all to the bombers of Kenya, so that IEBC can stop this. What is happening? Because these are IEBC materials. And these are IEBC officials. They should tell us everything. This is your fault. Photos and
he was the one who was.
I told him from yesterday.
Watch out. Please,
Shebesh, go back this way.
let's go systematically.
Me, I'm going out. I've been here since yesterday.
You're going nowhere.
Wait, just wait.
Shebesh, stand there.
Are you an employee of IEBC? I know them. I've been so what were you doing on this material?
We want
Mistaking.
What happened?
So you're a presiding officer in Starehe?
What happened?
In Starehe?
Park Road. What happened?
When I was in it,
Yeah. Oh. What sooner? What happened? Just tell us the truth.
actually, the truth is,
Yeah.
I was called home in the morning.
Yes.
That my child is not feeling well. Now, when I came, there was no Azimio. I mean, a lot of people on the line. I wanted to surrender and then go home and take my child to the hospital. So I went to the DRO. And I told him at around 4 yesterday. About clear fast. Hand over and then I it is not possible unless you get somebody else to help you. He referred me to somebody called Moy, who is an IEBC official.
When you go to clear, aren't you supposed to go with all the evidence?
Yeah, we were with them. But then, when I was supposed to now to go over the documents,
They use and unused.
Excuse me. The person who caught is this man. He's a police who caught him. Now, what's that one? Let
us finish here first.
Deal with him. Because he's the one who
The one who seated behind.
get me
You're going to stamp new ways in Bangladesh.
so me, I from home.
Ni tofauti. Mimi ndio nimeleta. Hii
Hold on, guys.
pale penye watu wanapeleka hizo. Wanapeleka hizo. Sisi tuliona movie jana ya boxing mbili za kura, mimi kuona na macho. Na nikasema nikashauri nikasema Shebesh ni mshahidi. Nikasema hizi zimetoka wapi saa 8 usiku? Na boxi zingine ziko hapa ndani. Hii imetoka wapi? Haingii wapi? Hapa hapo mimi kugeuka hivi nikaona huyu
kwa kona.
Nikamwona kwa kona. Umenipata? Mwenye hii Nilimwambia bagi yako hapa uingie na bagi. Sababu gani? Weka bagi yako hapa. Ingia na hii sababu iko na hiyo kalakta. Kuangalia hii tukakuta hivi. Ukamwambia wewe weka acha hizi vitu zikae wapi? Wewe zunguka ukimaliza ukuje mwambie uchukue. Wakanongozana na huyo mwanaume hakusimama kaino. Akaenda. Umenipa hizi vitu nikaenda. Umenipata? Sasa hii tumeshika saa 10 ni hizo tu.
Please, we are here. Let's just see what is in there.
You know, can I tell you?
Mheshimiwa Angilu, wacha tumalize hii back. Twende haraka tafadhali.
You are not.
Yeah.
We are trying to bring problems. We need to go and touch it.
We are going. We want to see what is in this bag. Then we go. Yes. Yeah. We have finished what was in the initial bag. Let's do this bag and this one.
Yeah. Do the other bags.
Yes, please. What is this one? We want to know the contents of the bag.
What do you want to do? We are
We are going. What are these? What is this? Already.
These documents once the documents are here, if I release them, they are no longer exist.
Let's see what is in the bag, please. What do we do? Let's see what is the contents of this bag.
Kuja huyu moja na huyu. Ngoja. Just a minute.
David. They've been cooking everywhere, by the way.
Everybody is here. Let's go to this one. Everybody is taking your photos. Don't even waste your time. Let's go.
Just bring it closer.
167 and right 83, that's not true.
Oh, okay. Let's see. That's doctored. You can see, and 2 has been changed to 3.
Even here, look at this. See, in addition, 3 plus 7, 10. Yeah. Carry 1.
They have deleted. It can't be 350.
They're also using a lot of
For Raila.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's why you are saying.
Sabina has gone to Morana.
Because in the operation.
I think with the result forms.
But now, boss, why are you doing that? I'm told now you're the one who's...
Is the DRO has been the problem. I begged him yesterday this month. I begged him. I could see they are compromised. I told him, please. I know you are compromised. But stop it. I begged him. I have witnesses.
Akusikia. For the sake of country. This is a close election. Lives depend on this election. My brother.
Chef, such a situation. Does not have a deputy RO?
This is the deputy arrow.
Oh, and where's the RO?
The arrow.
Yes, please.
The tally.
So I thought but she's not doing it.
In the box, yes.
We've been monitoring him since even at
Huyu ndio deputy aro. Lakini huyu ndio aro. So yeye ndiye alipatikana nazo. So walikuwa game.
Ndio master.
Lakini sasa wewe, nchi nzima inategemea kura safi.
Ilifanya kazi nzuri kusema ukweli.
Just we are finishing this, then we'll go to the black bag. That is sealed. It's supposed to be required. Oh, Mariakan primary. So, okay, so you can put this back. So we can be okay. Yes, please. We are not in the content.
Umeshika watu.
That's the bag that has the story.
Alafu Simon anajaza vijana hapo ati watutishi. Tangu hawajui mwago pia si. Unajua people si mwago wanaona mwago ni ordinary. Wajui mwago. Mwago na sisi tukajaza watu. Hata sasa hivi vijana wa Simon ndio wako paketa kule. Wameamka. Na time itakuja.
Sifuna, we have a problem in Langata. They're refusing to announce yours and mine. Yeah. They've announced yours. Yeah, but okay, mine they've refused. They've skipped to governor.
We are okay with this?
There seem to be 6 police.